tuning into another episode of the TJJ Show, and as long as you're in my presence, you'll be guided and protected at all times. So guys, great topic for today. Great topic. So, you guys see the title. I'm going to explain to you guys how psychedelic drugs has very good benefits for your life. When I'm talking about psychedelic drugs, there's different ones, and there's ones that are not so great for you, and there's ones that will not harm you and it will do you wonders. Now, when I'm talking about the ones that are going to harm you and your health, I would say don't do acid. I would say do not do acid. That one's pretty intense, and it can mess you up a bit, for sure. But as for shrooms and DMT, it's a very quick psychedelic drug, and it's going to give you massive benefits for your life once you do it and you come back sober. And I'm going to explain why. If you guys watched one of my recent videos, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, the power of shifting your identity. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that video after this here, because shifting your identity is one of the main keys in life to bring you success and abundance and happiness and joy and bliss and all these things. Shifting your identity is so important, and not enough people are doing this. A lot of people are staying stuck in their same mood every single day once they wake up till they go to bed. You have to do something that shifts your identity, that brings you out of the mood you're in, to put you in a completely different mood and a completely different zone. That's what separates the successful and the non-successful. The successful people do something uncomfortable every single day that shifts their identity. And I'm going back to the title of this video. Psychedelic drugs absolutely shifts your identity right away once you do it and you feel the effects. Psychedelic drugs brings you to your true self. Psychedelic drugs is the quickest thing that will make you woke. You will get woke from doing psychedelic drugs. You will become spiritually woke, and the truth of your life will flash before your eyes when you do these psychedelic drugs. DMT is much more intense than shrooms. Joe Rogan said it best himself. DMT is like shrooms times 10 plus aliens. And it's true. I never did DMT myself, but I hear it's something crazy, and it will bring you to a different dimension. And there's no negative health benefits from doing these. Idiots who don't know what the hell they're talking about might think so, because that's what they've been told growing up. But the truth is, there is no negative health benefits to doing psychedelic drugs. And it's the quickest thing that's going to shift your identity. And once you get sober, after you do a psychedelic drug, you're going to start doing what's right in your life immediately. And I felt this myself because I did shrooms twice before in my life, and I'm going to do it again soon, because they say you should do a psychedelic drug at least once a year to bring you back to your true self. And this is what I'm going to aim to do with the rest of my life. I'm going to do shrooms at least once a year. I'm going to try DMT for sure. That's something I will do for sure. And I encourage you guys to do shrooms. I really do, because there's a lot of benefits towards it. People just don't understand. And if you're going to do shrooms, I'm going to give you a couple recommendations. Make sure you're either in a group of people that has good vibes and good energy and is ready and prepared to do this, or do it by yourself. You do not want to be around people that is going to fuck up your vibe, because it'll be the worst trip you've ever took in your life. It's terrible. Make sure you're not around negative, low-down people like this when you're doing a psychedelic drug, because they will ruin the experience for you. And you will run away from them. If you're with them in a house, you will leave and you'll go somewhere else. Because the truth is going to flash before your eyes. If you're around somebody that has bad intentions towards you or is secretly a hater of yours, you're going to sense it off them. And you're going to leave and you're going to see the truth for what it is. I swear to God, this is the truth. You can be with somebody and not even know they're against you. And once you do that psychedelic drug, you're going to feel it off them. You're going to feel it off them. It's crazy, man. If you're a person that likes the truth and wants to know the truth, do shrooms. Because you're going to know it right away. This happened to me before too. I did it twice, I just told you guys. Once I did it, it was amazing. The second time I did it, I had to leave the place that I was at. Let's just say that. And go back to my own house by myself to get into my own zone. And I ended up sobering up like 30 minutes after I got home. You want to make sure you're in good hands when you're doing this. And make sure that you're in a good, safe environment when you're doing this. And when I say safe, I mean around the right people or around no people. Either one of those is the best way to go. And doing it by yourself definitely is not as fun as doing it with somebody else that you're great friends with, or you're cool with a family member or something like that, and you guys are going to do it for some fun. Make sure it's that case, and make sure you're not around the wrong crew of people. And I'm telling you guys right now, you will not regret it. You will not regret it. There's so many benefits towards doing a psychedelic drug. And you're going to feel momentum in your life shift after doing this. You're going to start to do a whole bunch of things that you should have been doing. And you're going to be doing a bunch of things you might have been procrastinating on. I swear to God, guys, this works. It works. I'm going to cut this video short. I hope you guys like these tips. I encourage you guys to try this out. I'm going to come back with another video tomorrow. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Have a great Saturday.